Find the distance of point -15, 8 from the origin. So I'm working out this example too, just to remove the confusing word, the origin. When we say the origin, remember distance should be between 2 points. For this case, we are given the coordinates of this point and given the word origin. When we say the origin, we mean it has a point 0, 0. And to find the distance is the same as the length of a straight line. For this case, our distance will therefore be equal to, remember, we said a distance, for example, AB, should be equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This is the square root for the whole thing. So for this case, we have our point 2, which is -15 and 8, and the point 1 is the origin, which is 0, 0. So our x2 will be -15, x1 will be 0. Everything squared, plus our y2 will be 8 minus 0. Everything squared. The 0 comes from the origin. 0 for x and 0 for y. So therefore, -15 minus 0 becomes -15 squared, plus 8 minus 0 is 8 squared. Then we get the square root. -15, we still put it in a small bracket squared, because if you press it in a calculator without putting the brackets, it will give you a wrong answer. So this becomes square root of -15 squared is 225, plus 8 squared is 64. So if you add 225 plus 64, you get 289. And the square root of 289 is 17 units. Complete. Q, R are the points 5, -3, -6, 1, and 1, 8, respectively. Show that triangle PQR is isosceles. By this, I want you to work out this, but to give you a hint, when we say this is an isosceles triangle, what we mean is 2 sides are equal. If all the 3 sides are equal, then it becomes an equilateral triangle. But for this case, 2 sides are equal. So work out the distance between any 2 sides. For example, you can take this side and that side, find the distance between these 2 using the same method, or the distance between this and that using the same method. Any 2 points, you can pick this point and that, find its distance, or this point and that, or this point and that. So if you find any of the 2 points being calculated to get its distance to have equal answers, then it shows that it is an isosceles triangle. Thank you very much.